Hi, my name is Donovan Surgick, and today I will be reading to you a book titled What Is That Sound by Christina Laren and illustrated by Ratra Adya Erwan. Here is our new village, Toro. Wong, wong, wong. Where is that strange sound, Dad? Wong, wong, wong. Where's that coming from? Hello, I am Toro. I heard a wong sound earlier. Did you hear it too? Hi, my name is Ajeng. You must be new here. I'm Toro. I've just arrived from the city. Where did that wong sound come from? I will show you. Whoa! This is our gong. We use it to make gamelan music. Plang, tongue, plong, tang. I want to sound the gong. May I? Not tongue. It's called gong. Why does it make different sounds? Where's that wong sound? You have to use this tool. Hit it right in the middle. In the middle. I'm going to borrow your stool. Toro. Dad, I want to hit this gong. Will you help me? Yes, but next time let me know before you leave. Wong! Thank you for allowing me to read to you guys. Thank you for the opportunity.